Hi, I'm Tanya, and this is the third lesson I want to share with you. And in this lesson, we'll learn the letter N, which is the most frequent consonant in Russian language. We'll have reading practice, and also we'll discover some places in Russia you probably have not heard about. We'll get a set of new reactions and also new worksheets, new tasks, and new warm-ups. So let's get. And now the reading. N plus vowel make не, no, nu, ni, na. Let's start with не. N plus ye, не. Не, na. Can I walk a dog there? Не. N plus o make no. No, n, no. So let's go for a walk. But first coffee. No. Vowel plus n make n, on, un, in, an. O plus n make on. On, н, on. Это кто? Это он. That's great. Оно, н. Оно. Это оно. And here we have different cursive variants. You can see them there. So не, and all the variants with не, no, and all the variants with no, on. So there are different variations of how to write on, and almost all of them are mine. Оно. Yeah, looks as creepy as it is. Okay. Many names start with N. Let's find out. The first one is Natalia. Yay! Привет, Наталья. The next one is Nikolai. Oh, Nikolai. That's great. Наиль. Hi, Наиль. Привет. And Nelly. Let's find. This is Nelly. The names of some of the cities start with the letter N. Let's check them. The first one is Novosibirsk. Oh yeah, that's Novosibirsk. I've been there. It's really beautiful and nice. And it's interesting city and really far away. Yeah. But I want to visit it one day again. The next one is Nalchik. Let's travel to the south of Russia, and it's pretty hot there, plus 40 and even more sometimes. It's surrounded with mountains, magnificent views. Let's move on and find something else. Набережные Челны will be fine. It's not far from Kazan. You might have heard about the city because in Kazan there was FIFA, and Набережные Челны is pretty close to this. In Russia, 200 kilometers, it's just next city, you know. And the last one, but I think it's Komba because it's Nizhny Novgorod, double N. I love the city. So that's the center of linguistics, at least I think so, because I love all the books they publish. Yeah. Okay, that's. I also shared the map where you can write more cities that you want to visit, and I'm waiting for all of you. Just believe me. So it's not a waste of time to visit lots of the cities in Russia. So, and some of them are really beautiful and unique, with a wonderful nature and the best sunsets ever. So also, nie is frequently used for these signs, like this one. Не курить. Не. Не разводить костры. Не. Не разжигать огонь. Не. Не шуметь. Не. But learn Russian first, and it will probably help you not to be lost. Keep in mind that Russia is big. And I mean really, really big. It's huge. It's just unbelievable when you start traveling by car, and it's like thousands and thousands miles, and wow, it's a week, and the second week and you're still traveling. I did it, and it's great, beautiful, but you have to have a lot of time. And yes, you might didn't know, but in Russia we have different languages, and they are widely spoken in their regions. And in some of these regions, people speak Russian with accent. And that's also great. So Russia is different. I love it a lot. Speaking about reactions, nie means not, so it gives us numerous variants in messaging. Omar is writing to Natasha. Do you speak English? Nie. My mom is writing. Это он? And I'm like, nie. Yulia is writing. Is it sunny? Oh, come on. I'm living in St. Petersburg. Nie. My boyfriend is writing. Wake up. It's time to go to school. Yeah, can I stay home? Yeah. Please, I don't want to go to school anymore. But you're a teacher. Oh, yes. Seems I have to. Or you've done something like this for your work. So I'm working with early development, and I'm really proud of this, what I've done. Writing to my friend and send her a picture. Look what I've made. It's really useful. Can't you see? Yeah. Okay, if you have any ideas, what is it? Just write it. Here are some samples for you to write. Download them, fill the pages, and share on the Reddit page. All the links below the video. Great! It's time to write. Here we have a letter N, and it's some kind of block variant, and it's cursive variant. Looks like E sometimes, and that's the hardest part. I love this letter because it has lots of handwriting and lettering variants, so just all for your imagination. Take something to write with and something to write on, and do a nice form up. Do you love them? Let's get started with the first square and fill it with the small n. Here we have different variants. I tried. Cool. So the next one is the second square, and now let's connect them all in one line. Do not drop it. So you can do till the end, but I highlighted connections. So yeah. The next square is number 3. Fill it with the big N letters and make them bigger as you only can. And again, please highlight the connections. So just grab another color. And the last but not least, let's fill it with small ants, really small. Try to write as fast as you only can, so it looks like some kind of diagram. So here we have N plus E, ni, and E, is it N, is it E, ni, E. So how many N's, how many E's are there? Okay, so let's check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Great. For more practice, you can download Russian cursive worksheets. And take a look. Wow. There are several words. Can you describe them? And again, here I have a page with different handwritings. You can copy them. You can fill this page with your own variants. So just look at all these ones. You'll sure read them one day. So be aware. And last page again for your freestyle writing. So feel free to print it and use it for your personal use. So good luck with these practice papers. Connections is really hard part, but you'll deal with it, sure. And thank you all. Большое спасибо. So, and the only one question I want to ask you, do you know this one? Еще? Еще. Do you want some more? We want some more. So, see you next time. Next video, next interesting lesson.